Good morning all. I am Dr. Krishna Man and this is my YouTube channel CBSE Tech Talks. Today I am going to help you in understanding the logic for finding out area and circumference of circle, and we will be using inbuilt library math also, so that the value of pi can be taken with that. So this is ideally, we have to click on file, then we have to click on again new file, comment, program to calculate area and circumference of circle. Okay, now first of all I want to tell you that there are many inbuilt functions available with Python and it is having very rich libraries. So we will be importing. Now all the libraries are not always down, or you can say uploaded in RAM when you open the application. So we need to import them as and when required. So import math. So math is a library we are importing. So all the functions related to math or they are under math library can be used straight away now in it. So first of all, for finding out area as well as circumference of circle, we need the value of radius. Rest formulas are pi r square and 2 pi r. So we need the value of r to calculate area as well as circumference of circle. So let's read the value of r. R equals to, you may go with floating point or you may go with the integer also. So in this case, as anyhow the output area and circumference will be of float type, being the value of pi used in it. So I'm taking radius of float type. Float, input, enter radius of the circle. This statement is very much clear. We have done this statement many times. Now I want, depending upon the choice whether you want area or circumference, to make it more, you can say, more interactive. So I want you to choose, or we are going further. So if you want find out area, you have to go with option 1. So calculate area. Okay, print 2. Let's maintain symmetry. Calculate circumference. Okay, so this is going to display first for calculate area, second for calculate circumference. If choice equals to 1, it means you have to read the value of choice. So choice equals to int. Now let it be more, you can say, interactive, and you can specify which all values you want. Enter your choice. Okay, now what are the choice? You can go with further 1 or 2. Okay, so this statement is going to accept 2 values only, 1 or 2. We are making it. So now the cursor has come here, indentation, because I have used 2 parentheses. The second parenthesis I missed upon. So let's close the second parenthesis, press enter key, it has gone to first column. If choice equals to 1 colon. So what is to be done? If choice is 1, we have to calculate area. So what area equals to math.pi. We know formula for area is pi r square. So into r into 2. So we know when we put 2 asterisk symbols, it becomes raised to power. So math.pi into r star, or you may write r into r also. Print area of circle. You can write the value of with radius also. So area of circle with radius. Which radius? Radius comma the value of r is, it is going to give a complete statement, is comma area. I'm explaining this print command, please pay attention. The content which is in the quotes will come as it is. So area of circle with radius will come as it is. Then here we have put r outside the outside the quotes. So here the value of r will be taken, which you have read here. Again is in the quotes, so is will come as it is, and the value of area will come. This is for first case, choice 1. Now we have to enter 1 or 2, but what if by mistake you have entered some other value also? So we are going to check for second case also. If choice, now please pay attention, this C is small, this is capital, I have used small, so it is case sensitive, so everywhere it has to be small only. Choice equals to 2. So what is to be done? You can say sir. For the short form of circumference, you know the formula, pi 2 pi r. So 2 into the value of pi, 2 pi into r. And what you have to print? Print circumference of circle with radius. What radius? R is CIR. Now please pay attention, is having space before as well as after, so that it will have proper spacing when it will display. Now for the second option is clear. Else what you want? Invalid option. So you will be writing print, P has to be small, print invalid choice. Okay, now here we have checked this and this, so we can go with if, elif. So you can go with elif. If, elif, else. Am I clear? If this choice is 1, it is going to calculate area of circle. Elif choice is 2, it is going to calculate circumference. Else, for any other cases, it is going to give you invalid choice. Let's run it. I'm going to give the name as circle. CIRCLE, this is the name of my file. And invalid syntax. Now here it is going to give you invalid syntax. The reason being, it has to be, there should be 1 comma here. I'm again running it. Okay, enter radius. Let's take a radius be 5.0. Calculate area 1, calculate area 2, calculate circumference. Let's write 1. So this is the area of circle. Let's try the other one for circumference also. Again I'm running. I'm going to give option as 5 only. Let's go with 5 only. Now I want to calculate circumference. So this is circumference. We have done else also. Let's try that condition also. 5.0. I have by mistake I enter 5. Let's see. Invalid choice. So students, please pay attention when you are writing coding for any program. You should check all the possible options which can be given as an input. So you should go with all the generalized, all the values, all the cases you should run. Is it working fine with all the cases? Then only you have to stop. Otherwise you keep checking. It should run for all the cases. So go with all the options like I have just now shown you for area, for circumference, and even try for the other option also, because we have used else there also. So I think this is clear. And the next program which I will be covering will be divisibility of number, odd number, even numbers. Students, I have noticed that you people are not visiting my drive which is shared in the description. There are two things shared in the description. One is the drive where the details of all the videos is given. You can click the link and you can go to any video from that file, and there is one Google form for your request on any topic. So please do visit that, and I would like you to like and subscribe and share with your friends so that we all can grow as a community. That's all from my side. See you in the next video.